You all right back there?
No way. It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another. If we cannot get to...
Right, the ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
I have it in my sights.
They have found us, Ratchet.
How do I steer this thing?
Ask nicely.
Slow down, please! Dad's not listening!
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths with ya! How many arms you got, beast? We've been boarded! Get off me, ship, foul creature!
Clank!
Ratchet, we are too late. Ratchet?
Who?
PlayStation.
Hey guys, here's today's Daily Fact. Did you know that Wall-E and R2-D2 from Star Wars have something in common? And no, it's not that they're both robots. They were actually voiced by the same dude, Ben Burtt. Ben created 2,400 sounds for Wall-E, which, by the way, kids, do you know that it stands for Waste, Allocation, Load, Lifter, Earth, Class? Now click here below to subscribe or on the side for more great content.